Well, folks, welcome back to Major Diesel. Hey, I've got yesterday I went and did a nice video for you of doing a weld repair for where the cylinder broke off on the bale unroller. And what do you know, this morning I went out there and it lasted for one bale. So I went over to the shop and I grabbed some parts and pieces and welded a whole bunch of parts together. I think it's not going to break now. We got them all together finally. Looking here at how things are, it looks way tighter than it did before. That cylinder fits so much snugger, and yeah, there's the rod that I made there. It goes into the cylinder there, and I got all the arms together and the cylinder on, and I just need to plug in the hydraulics yet. Let's see if I can do that here. Okay, let's start up the tractor again here and see how that bale unroller works. Okay. Well, it works good. Well, it hooked right up to this silage or high moisture hay bale here. And it doesn't look like it bent the new rod that I built yet. So we're going to see how it wraps it out now. It's getting dark. Cows waited for their last bale. I gave them 2 bales earlier, so they were okay. Now let's see how this high moisture bale rolls out here. Have to back up some, make the hay come off the bale different. Yeah, there it's coming. And there we go. Stop rolling off the bale. Still rolling off. I think that. See, sometimes bales only unroll one way. Sometimes they unroll any which way. And you can't see which way they were wrapped up, and when they're in a bale, it's just difficult. Seems to be unrolling by backing up here. Look at all the cows over here. They're just all eating right off of what I put down already. And yeah, keep on unrolling backwards here. Seems to be going right along. There we go. That door didn't put on natural while back, now it does. The bale's going to keep on unrolling here, or I'm going to have to go ahead again. Looks like I have to go ahead again. Oh, there it unrolls a little bit. Backwards again. But there you go. So this is high moisture stuff you get. The closer you get to the center of the bale, the less it wants to come off. Right there, it's unrolling some. Oh yeah, there. There it goes. There now. There we go. That's spread out good enough. Pull the arms together again. Ah, works perfect, doesn't it? Okay.